Yeah, it's your boy Sonny. On this video, we're going to be learning how to identify trend in another way, or probably a market reversal in another way. Okay. First of all, the first thing to do is when you click on your charts. Okay. Click on your charts. Once you click on your charts, now I'll want to remove the indicator we have on our screen by tapping my screen and click on this F. Once I click on the F, I'm going to click on delete here, which is this. So I'm going to remove this moving average. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to click on delete again, this delete here. Then all indicator is off. Then I'm going to tap my screen again and click on the F. Then I'm going to click on stochastic oscillator. Stochastic, look at it here, stochastic oscillator. So I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to leave it as default. Okay, I'm going to change the color to white. The reason why I'm changing my colors to white because this my screen is white, so I don't want the stochastic to show. I want to insert my own moving average or my own trend line on my stochastic. Okay, so I fix mine to be white. So you can change yours might be showing another color. Just change it here to white if your screen is white. If you're using a black background, just change it to black. Okay, then click done. Then the levels, look at the levels here. Click on these levels here. Once you click on the levels, now yours might not be like this. Okay, now the reason why I have so many levels here and description is because I click on this plus to add. So in case yours is just 2 or 3, click on that plus to add. So let me click on it now. You see one has been added, another one has been added. They keep adding. So all you just need to do is when you add them, just write these numbers accordingly the way it is on my own. Okay, once you finish adding it up, just click on back. Look at this back here, this back button. Once you click on back button, then click on done at the top of your screen, this one here. Okay, click on done, click on done. Then when you're done, you'll see something like this on your screen. Look at it, look at the stochastic here, the stochastic oscillator. Look at those levels you inserted here. Look at the levels here, look at the levels here. Okay, now we have the 20, we have the 80, we have the 90, 91, 92, we have the 10, we have the all manner of levels. So I'm going to tap my screen again. I'm going to click on the F. Now I'm going to click on this window, indicator window 1. I'm going to click on this F here. Once I click on the F, I'm going to click on moving average. Once I click on the moving average, I'm going to click on this period here. I'm going to change it. I'm going to change it to 7. Okay, then I'm going to change this method to exponential. I'm changing the method to exponential. This one here, change it to exponential. You can use red color, you can choose whatever color you want. You can change your pixel to 3 to whatever pixel you want. This pixel is just like you wanted the line to be thick or to be light, Then click done at the top of your screen. This done here. Once you click done, you see a moving average here like this. Look at the line of the moving average. Okay, that red line you're seeing. So now how do we use this to identify trends? How do we use this to identify trend or market reversal rather? Anytime you see the moving average touches below 20, okay, anytime the moving average goes below 20, goes below this 20 line, look at this line here, there's 20 here, there's 10 here, there's 9 here, according to our levels on our oscillator, stochastic oscillator. Look at the moving average line, it's going below 20. It goes below 20 and it's around 9, 10 on our oscillator. Just know that we should be expecting a market reversal. So look at when the market was falling, the moving average started coming down as well. So anything when the market went below 20 or touches 20, you see that we started seeing what's it called, rejection in the market. Look at the rejection. All these tails, all this long line you're seeing are price rejection. The price rejects the market rejects that price. So we should be expecting a reversal at those points. So, and again, another reason why we should be expecting a reversal. Look at this point here. The moving average have gone below 20. So we should be expecting a reversal. So the moving average is going to buy until it gets to 80 again or above 80. Then we should be expecting another sell again. Okay, so just take a good look at it. Look at it. The market is consolidating downward and upward. So now if you check now, the moving average have touched what's it called, 80 and above 80. That is why you see there's a rejection here. Are you seeing it? So the market is going to come down for a while, somewhere here. I presume I'm giving a landmark here, then another shoot up again. So the market is going to come down like this alongside this one, then we're going to see something like this, then something like this again. So this is another way of identifying the trend in the market. So you can backtest this. How do you backtest? Just go back. Look at this point here where the moving average is above 80. What happened? Look at the points here. The market started declining. The market went up a little, then came down. Look at it. Are you seeing it? The market declined to what? To below what? 20 here. So what happened afterward? Are you seeing it? There's a little reversal, but because the market is in a downtrend, it keep pushing. So at this point now, we have seen what W. What happened after the W? A buy. You see a rejection, strong rejection. So a buy. So the buy now keeps going up. If you drag your screen to the middle, then you see that it have touched what? Overbought region. So the market has overbought. So it's time for the market to sell a little bit. So there was a strong oversold region here. The market oversold at this point here, this particular point here. The market have been selling for a very long time, so they consider this place as an oversold region, whereby we should be expecting a reversal. So I believe with this short video you should be able to identify trend. If there's any question, just take your time, ask me on WhatsApp. My number is always on the screen, then we'll solve any issue together. So thank you very much for watching this short video.